with a shotgun.
You're crazy! Screw this!
Yeah, when I pull this shotgun out, boy, they start running. Come on, guys, come on out and play.
Screw this!
Wow. Jumping up and down and shooting. It's got a lot of dexterity.
Back up. I got first dibs on the loot.
Okay. Empty, empty, empty.
You better run.
Boy, all these boxes are empty. Ooh, ammo. Some more 44s.
I'm gonna tear your fucking throat out.
Oh. Good grief. Where's he at? There we go. You were saying about...
I'm gonna tear you up. Yeah, tear him apart.
Oh. Good grief. Come on.
Just like a little bit. Hiding from me? Better hope I don't find you. Okay, cut the shit. Who is that? You're dead, meat sack! Yeah! Tear him apart! Fuck! Ah! I'm gonna kick your ass!
Wow. I really had to use up a lot of ammo for this. Okay, so she's done for. That one's done for. Where's the other one? That one's done for.